Hi guys, welcome to Grammar Moments. We're gonna try if we can get the collector's cup. Ngayon na siya nag-launch. So there's like 6 collectible cups and merong Hello Kitty. So let's try. So I'm getting the collector's meal, but it's a surprise which glass I'm getting. So I'm here at McDonald's. So here's my order. So I got my collector's cup. Got root beer. I got Big Mac. I got fries. So nakaseal yung cup. So hindi natin alam kung ano siya. So I'll unbox natin later. I'm gonna eat first. Excited na ako. Ang hirap buksan na. Ito na. See. Excited na ako. Oh my God. Yay! I get a Hello Kitty cup. One try. Ay, ang galing. Yay! Woohoo! So, Snoopy pala yung sa likod. Tapos Hello Kitty dito sa harap. Ay, ang cute! So here's the collector's meal in the cup. So meron siyang 6 designs. So alright guys, that's the end of our vlog. I gotta take out for mommy. I'm gonna catch the bus. Maaraw pa naman. Thank you.